Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping assets. This saves time later. Import both the original shot and your replacement plate, then create a comp matching the clip's frame rate and resolution. Once done, trim to the target section and lock the original as reference. You'll track from this exact trimmed segment because consistent length and resolution prevent scaling and jitter issues downstream. Make sure to label layers and organize folders now, so you spend energy on tracking, not hunting for files. Next, track the screen area. You can use After Effects built-in tracker for simple point tracks or Mocha for complex planar motion. Choose planar when perspective shifts matter. Track forward, then apply the tracking data to your replacement layer using corner pin or a planar transform. After that, draw a precise mask around the screen and animate its vertices to stick with the edges. Make sure to feather the mask modestly, 10 to 40 pixels, so the composite blends. Finish by matching the plate to the original shot's color and texture. Use curves and levels to correct exposure and hue, then add subtle grain to match sensor noise. Parent the plate to the original tracked layer to inherit residual motion, refine edge matte, and perform a tiny Gaussian blur if needed. Render a short test clip. Watch at full speed. If the plate drifts, recheck tracking points and adjust keyframes. Most issues come from missed track frames, so fix those before final render.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.